Hello. Sorry about this. It's actually quite funny. This is probably the seventh time I'm actually re-recording myself. This is the fun part of this company. You can actually, it's normal. It's something like this happens. It's normal. It's part of the process. It's part of learning. Yeah. Okay, fine. Let's start. So my name is Emil Beeselaar. I'm the founder and the CEO of LWD Distributions. Yeah, I'm actually very proud of this, and it's been a journey. But okay, let's get to the part that I'm really excited about, and I'm glad to tell you about this because there's opportunity for every single person. Right, so obviously I've made a video about the Karatbars company that I'm actually a part of now, and I'm actually very happy about them. The thing is like I explained in my previous video, you can actually go check it out. This video is not about the actual products, but it's something that LWD Distributions is actually willing to do to make people find the success in this business. We know about the bronze page, or the bronze package, silver package, gold package, and VIP package. The main thing is obviously we know about the products, what you get in the company, or basically what package, what you get in the package when you buy it, and so forth and so forth. So where I want to talk to you guys, or what I want to talk to you guys about, is the commission structure that I've actually created to make it easier for you. Because I've noticed, actually yesterday I went to the Spur at Plattekloof. Went for a quick breakfast with my brother, and I started talking to the waiter and asked him, you know what, you've got the personality. Do you want to start with this amazing offer that we've got for you? And obviously you get commissions out of what happens or what gets paid out. So he told me, he sat down, we had a conversation. He told me, but capital is quite a problem to have the input for the money. It is quite a problem. But then I started to think to myself, okay, listen, there's something that I have to do to help you guys to save at the end of the day and earn money at the same time, and eventually buy your own package so that you can earn more. So I spoke to him, and we went through the whole structure. I actually created the structure while we were sitting down, eating my breakfast and so forth. So yeah, what happened is I came across this thing, and or I started to do this thing this morning, and I think this is going to work because I want you to make money. I'm going to make money. We're all going to make money. And the fun part is you don't need any experience to do it. You can go to a barman. You can go to a waiter. You can, anybody that you know that would do good in this, or any person that needs an income, he can do it. Okay, right, let's go. Let's start with this. First of all, so what I've done is I decided I'm going to give a percentage of what LWD distribution is going to make. I'll give a percentage to the person that refers the person. So say for instance, your gross is under 20,000 Rand. So this means the amount of packages you sold, the total value is under 20,000 Rand. That means that you will become, or you will be placed under the 10% commission structure. So this means, if you sell a bronze pack or you refer somebody to us and we do all the work for you, we do the presentation, we do not the selling like I previously spoke, we actually give value to the client. We do everything for you. You must just basically introduce the person to what we can offer them. You send us the name, the email address, the cell phone number. We do the rest. Once the job is done, we will phone you back and tell you, sir or ma'am, listen, the job is done, the person has referred, he has purchased his first package, your commission will be paid out every Friday. So if you get someone to us, or we contact the person that you referred, he decides today, it's today Wednesday, he purchased the bronze pack, then Friday that's coming now, we will pay out the commission amount. So if the person buys a 2,800 Rand package, you will get 280 Rand. And so forth. You'll see a silver package, 7,300, you'll get 10%. Of the 7,300, that's 730 Rand for doing nothing. You're just referring someone that you know that would be interested in this. You're referring to people that you talk to, and so forth. Obviously the VIP pack, if you buy that, look at that commission, 3,650 Rand. That's just referring somebody. And automatically you'll go into the next structure, as I'm going to explain now. So, it's quite hard today. Okay, so what happens is the next bracket or gross bracket is 20,000 to 50,000. So that means, like I explained previously, the total amount of packages that you sold, the total amount was between 20 and 50,000 Rand. Then you go into the 12% bracket. But like I explained here, if you sell the VIP package straight for the first time, you'll jump directly into this section, then you get 12%. So okay, so you'll see the amount difference. I'm just going to, for the video's sake, put it on the VIP package. So if you earn 10%, you get 3,650. If you go into this bracket over here, that's 12%. On a VIP pack from 36,500, you'll get 12%. That's 4,380 Rand. That's what some people earn a month. You can earn it once off with this. Come on, it's amazing. Let's go to the next step. If your gross profit is between 50 and 100,000, and this can be reached quickly, it all depends on how much work you put into this. Let's look at the VIP pack once again. VIP pack here is 36,500. On 12%, you get 4,380 Rand. Remember, people, the average salary amount for South African is almost 4,000 Rand a month. Yeah, you can earn it one time if we do the job right, if we get the correct referral, if you put the work in to make this amount of money. Right, if you're on this bracket, that can be easily reached. It's 2 VIP packets in your year. That's 15% of 36,500. Look at that amount, 5,400 Rand. It's 1,100 Rand more. Come on, guys, everything is there. You don't have to put in capital, nothing. You must just refer the person to us, the name, cell phone number, email address. We invite them to the group. We do the speeches. We do the motivational talking. We do everything for you to make it easier. Once a person says, okay, I'm happy, I'm going to purchase this product or this amazing opportunity, then we will contact you and tell you. Say your name is, let's take an example, Pete. Pete, thank you very much. The person that you referred, he purchased the amount. I will need a copy of your ID, a copy of your banking details, and we sign a letter so that we can transfer the money the next coming Friday into your account. No, nothing attached. It's as easy as that. People, you don't have to invest anything. You can just make this amount of money from referring people. Tell me any company in this country that does this. I want to hear this. Only LWD Distribution is willing to cut off commission so that I can help you guys to eventually own your own packet, your own gold. That is the main point of this. So if you do not understand this, please send me a WhatsApp to this cell phone number. Send me an email to this one. I can always phone you. I can explain to you if you need any assistance. We give you the material, everything. The main thing is I want you guys to earn money. And like yesterday, for instance, I went to this close friend of mine. He does not have capital, but he wants the VIP package. So I told him, then don't invest anything. Just invest your time. Invest the people and tell the people about this opportunity. We will do everything for you and you'll earn commissions. And then your job is to save up money to eventually own a packet, a VIP pack. Brilliant. Right, last thing on this. I thought to do this. I think this is actually excellent. So I've created this page that you can actually use. You can email it. You can WhatsApp it. I can put it into photo format. Doesn't matter. So this is a rotation letter. So what I do or my planning on this is to go to a headmaster at the school, for instance. Ask him, listen, you've got 25 teachers that's working in their school. Do you maybe know if they would be interested in investing gold? Obviously, I'll give this with a prospectus, but I wrote the example. So I write my name there, or the person, write his name or hers name. 2 cell phone numbers at least if they can, but if one is also fine. Then we also need the email address. And then she must tick off, or the person must tick off which packet or package she is interested in to make it easier for us to basically understand what type of client we're going to work with and also what material we have to take with when we do the presentation. Another thing as well is to make it easier, obviously I would say I must actually make a section here where you can write your name, the person or you that's doing the referral, and then you can fax a document to me or you can WhatsApp it straight to me. Once again, I'll give you the number here. There we go. And then we can I'll do all the work for you, everything. The important part is you get everything. Oh, there's another thing, the last thing now. I decided I'm going to make Zoom calls. So every evening at 8 o'clock, I will put out the schedule so that you know when it is. It's a short link that I can send to you. If you go into this link, the thing will pop up and you can do it from your cell phone. You can do it from your computer anywhere. And I'll give a short presentation like this. It won't be with this specifically, but I'll give a short explanation of how the company works, what is needed, and what you can achieve with this amazing opportunity. And it's making it easier for you. So yeah, come on guys, let's make money. Next year it's going to be massive. Massive. We're going to take over this country. We're going to make everybody financially free. And then obviously after that we need to sort out how are we going to buy our Ferraris and how are we going to park our fancy cars in our fancy houses. So come on guys, let's put our heads together. We're going to make a huge success out of this. This is possible. Please guys, and if you need me, just send me a WhatsApp, send me an email address, or you can visit my Facebook page. It will be attached in this link as well. And remember, LWD Distributions, I'm so proud of my company, and the main part is I want everybody to be proud of what they can achieve and what they can do with just putting in hard work. That's it. Thank you once again, and enjoy the day. Bye-bye.